Aminda Septiasari. What is up? Do you love music? Well, today we are going to get some expert tips on how to use music to learn English. Let's get started! Okay guys, learning English doesn't have to and it should not be boring. I personally love music. So over the last 6 years, learning English music has always been an essential part of the learning process for me. So guys, if you enjoy it and it's helpful for you, please be sure to show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing, and if you are new there, and commenting it down below. Because this is we are going to know that you want us to make more video like this. Is English easy to learn? Yes, it's easy for you if you want to try it and have big motivation to learn, practice, improve, and fighting. Guys, do you want to be better at English? Yes, I get it. You want to improve your English right now. But how do I do it? Don't worry about it. Many ways to learn English, like go to English classes, read books and magazines in English, watch film and English channel on Divi, listening to English music. But now guys, we are going to get some expert tips on how to use music to learn English. So, music is really good for making learning fun and effective, and most of all, it helps you to remember everything that you study. Why learn English with song? Okay, 1. You can learn new vocabulary. Wow. New structure. Wow. Music is even a way that you can naturally study the grammatical rules. It will help you to master the different verb tense, to get a conjugation, to learn, for example, conditional and subjunctive tense. But this is without for taking a class, formal class, or opening grammar books. 2. Improve your pronunciation. 3. Learn stress, rhythm, and intonation. 4. Increase your fluency. 5. Practice, 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 and practice. Repeat, 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 and repeat. Why I say like that? It's easy for you to learn English with song because you can learn anytime, anything. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Anywhere and whenever you want to learn. It's so fun, right? Okay, viewers, this part is very important. The expert tips on how to use music to learn English. Alright, so the expert tip is you are going to need to choose a good song for learning one that has a good rhythm that you love learning to that. The second is print out the lyrics or write down the lyrics. Why? Because for somebody, they learn better when they do things with their hands. So I think it's so improve your English. If you want to learn English, you still can use your hand, and then mark it all up with a pen, a highlighter. So for example, you might underline the different vocabulary, and then you might square some vocabulary that you recognize, but you can you need to you need to add it to your active vocabulary. And then guys, you could circle the different grammar that you are wanting to check out. Next, um, you are also going to be really training your ear, because you are going to talk while the listening song, and try to mark together any connected speech, any odd pronunciation, or anything that is not pronounced the way that you would expect it to be. You can even start to mark the different flow and rhythm of the song, like where are the stresses at. And guys, the next is you really have to focus during this process, so that you can really catch all these little subtitles of the language. Really take note of any interesting connotation, any art of expression or slang, or even some different grammatical rules. So the finally memorize the words and sing along with the song. I think that's all for me. I have another video. I think you will really enjoy learning English with music after watching my video. And alright, so thanks so much for hanging in there today with me until the end. And then please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that little bell. Ding ding. So thanks so much for joining with me, as always, and go out there and keep keep and kick ass with your English. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.